Comparing ChatGPT and Claude on 4 office tasks, the outcome surprised me. Many individuals in the professional world don't really need 2 AI subscriptions. The challenge lies in determining which one is truly worth the investment. To find out, I assigned the same 4 office tasks to both ChatGPT and Claude. Let's compare their performance. Before we dive in, make your choice. Are you Team ChatGPT or Team Claude? Let's find out if your prediction holds true. Round 1. First up, we have the difficult client email. A client expressed frustration because a project deadline was delayed by 2 weeks. ChatGPT replied with a standard apology, but Claude's response was more empathetic. Both responses are professional. However, Claude's reply feels more human. This gives Claude a significant edge. Round 1 winner, Claude. Score, Claude 1, ChatGPT 0. Round 2. Next is the report summary task. Your manager sends a 20-page report just 5 minutes before an important meeting. ChatGPT provided a brief summary, but Claude created an organized recap with risks and insights. I genuinely thought ChatGPT would take this round. Yet Claude managed the document far better than I anticipated. Round 2, winner, Claude. Score, Claude 2, ChatGPT 0. Team ChatGPT is falling behind. But changes are on the horizon. Round 3. Now let's look at competitor research. You need a quick overview before a client meeting. Claude provided a solid overview, but ChatGPT went above and beyond with positioning ideas and strategic plans. That's where ChatGPT truly excelled. Round 3. Winner, ChatGPT. Score, Claude 2, ChatGPT 1. A robust performance from ChatGPT could shift the results entirely. Round 4. Let's discuss daily productivity. Consider all the tasks professionals handle daily: emails, brainstorming, planning, task management. Both tools performed admirably. However, ChatGPT felt more versatile across various daily responsibilities. It would be my top choice for an entire workday. Round 4, winner, ChatGPT. Final score, Claude 2, ChatGPT 2. It's a tie, but we're not done yet. Here's the final verdict. Business Analysts. Choose Claude for reports and large documents. Project managers, opt for ChatGPT for planning and daily coordination. Writers, select Claude for natural writing. General professionals, go with ChatGPT. For most users, it serves as the better all-around assistant. Now I'm curious, are you Team ChatGPT or Team Claude? Share your opinions below. Subscribe to AI Workflow Hub for more comparisons. See you in the next video.